Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time, our topic of discussion is what is meditation? This is the most important aspect of life. Meditation is all about learning the process of life. Meditation is not mechanical. Since life is not mechanical, meditation is also not mechanical. Meditation is not concentration also. Concentration also belongs to mechanical aspect of life. Besides these aspects, meditation is what? Meditation is self-inquiry, to go deep into oneself, to know about the origin of life. So now what is the meditative mind and the non-meditative mind? Let us have an example. We brand the human beings into white, black, red, black, etc. So branding itself is non-meditative. That means we want to lead a superficial life. The mind remains in the superficial levels of existence. We don't want to go deep into the aspects of life. Most of the people in the world are having a non-meditative mind. Only when the intelligence awakens, we search for the inside world. Meditation brings a balance between the inside and the outside world. A meditative person will become relaxed. Certainly, meditation will help in all affairs of life. Even in day-to-day life, it can be applied. A meditative person will only respond. He will not violently react. For any given situation, the mind becomes very calm and collective. So by that, any person can realize his inner source of energy. On the other hand, what will a non-meditative person will do? He will be agitated for any given conditions of life. He will be interested in the superficial aspects of life. So he will be violent, ruthless, careless. Like this we can say and add so many factors. On the other hand, a meditative person will look into himself, because he knows for all the problems of life, he is the reason. Since he exists, then problems will also exist. So to solve all the problems, he look into himself. The problem comes from his own self. He realizes this. The moment he realizes this, then all the problems will be dissolved. So meditation can be applied in our day-to-day life. It is very, very important. Those who are sincere about life, they will certainly inquire into what this meditation is. On the other hand, a non-meditative person will ask, what is the need of meditation? They don't bother about the meditation, awareness, etc. Only the persons who are very alert to life, they need this meditative process. Now, can we learn meditation from anybody else? It is not at all possible, because truth has no path to it. Truth is here and now. There cannot be any path to it. We are the truth. The truth is within us. So a meditative person will find the truth in himself or herself. He will not search the truth outside of him or her. So, in a way it is very simple. On the other hand, it is very complex, because it is all the mind game. If the seeker is very sincere, he immediately understands that the source of creation and the source of destruction both are within him only. So he will find the answer in himself only. So a meditative person will become divine. He can experience the sacredness of life, and he will be a light unto himself. So life will offer him such a prediction. So this can be felt inwardly. We can find the difference between a meditative and a non-meditative person very easily. When days go ahead, a meditative person will become more collected, will become more peaceful, and will have a very relaxed mind. On the other hand, when a non-meditative person grows in age, he will become irritative, restless, etc. So in this way, meditation can be useful in all aspects of life. In particular, meditation can be applied in our day-to-day life, because we live outwardly. The immediate want of meditation is for day-to-day life only. When we realize this, much goodness will happen. Actually, in another sense, meditation searches for all goodness in life. Is there any goodness in our life? Certainly it is there. So a sensitive and a person with awareness will immediately understand what is this. So for all the seekers of the world, meditation becomes an integral part of his or her life. Meditation does not differentiate between people and people. It invites all the beings on the earth. So let us have a better understanding about meditation and enrich our life. In the forthcoming video, once again we will come up with another one topic similar to this.